Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And if you call yourself a reader who wants to read but struggles to finish a book, here are some simple tips to help you accomplish this major task. Tips for distracted readers. In short, we are surrounded by distractions that make reading a difficult task. While trying to finish a book, create a quiet space for yourself to read without interruptions. Start by reading a few pages every day. At first, there are people who love reading who can breeze through an entire book in just one sitting, and there are others who don't enjoy it as much as. Then there are those who aspire to read but often struggle to finish a book they picked with much enthusiasm. Let's focus on those in the latter category today. These readers often find themselves getting distracted, whether it's a ping on Instagram, an unexpected chat, or the allure of trying out a new activity, causing the book to be cast aside once again. Are you one of those distracted readers? And more importantly, do you wish to complete the book you were once excited about and now it's just collecting dirt? First, you need to understand why do some people find it difficult to read. People can find it difficult to read due to various reasons, but primarily it comes down to interest. In this generation, we are surrounded by visual devices, making it challenging to engage with plain text without any accompanying visuals. Who runs the book club Paperback Talks tells India Today. He adds, if you have noticed our parents' generation, I can assure you they were more inclined towards reading and were interested as well. So the difficulties can be without respect to age, environment, interest, and more inclination towards a stack of book. Why is finishing a book a struggle for some? Meanwhile, Ahmedabad-based psychiatrist Dr. Sarthak Dave shares that attention span plays a crucial role. Individuals with shorter attention spans may struggle to stay engaged in lengthy reading sessions. External distraction such as noise or interruption can disrupt the flow of reading. Underlying issues like anxiety or ADHD can affect focus on concentration. Additionally, reading preferences matters. If a book fails to captivate or align with personal interest, motivation to complete it diminishes. Talking about why people get distracted too easily, Saini goes on to say, we are surrounded by distraction. If it's not your TV, it's your tablet. If not tablet, then it's your phone. If not your phone, you have a smartwatch. We are surrounded by things that can easily make us stray away from reading. If you read with your phone around you, 99% of the time you are going to keep seeing your notification pop up and distract you from reading. Agreeing with this, Sayanathan Ghosh, an avid reader and executive editor at Simon Cluster India, shares, we are living in an era of short-term engagement due to the plethora of options available, from social media reach to streaming platform, gaming, dating app, and more. A woman reading a book with so many distractions around. How can one focus on reading feeling distracted? What does it say about you? Dr. Dave mentioned that the difficulty in maintaining focus while reading can be indicative of underlying issues affecting mental health and behavior. For instance, individuals who frequently experience distraction may have challenges with attention regulation, which can be associated with conditions like ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Additionally, feeling of anxiety, stress, and or depression can contribute to distractibility and impact on ability to concentrate on reading or any other task. The doctor adds, habitual distraction or avoidance behavior may serve as coping mechanism to elevate discomfort or unpleasant emotions. Understanding this pattern can provide insight into an individual's mental health and behavior, highlighting potential areas for support or intervention. It's important to eliminate distractions. Saini suggests that best way to avoid distraction while reading is to join reading group and book discussion club. He also advises spending some time away from your phone and shares a helpful tip. Whenever your phone is charging, try to read 10 to 20 pages without using your phone. Apart from this, you can also create a quiet and comfortable space for yourself to read without interruption. And while you do that, make sure to turn off the notification on your phone. Take a break from your phone while reading. Additionally, you can also set a specific reading time, but don't forget to allow yourself short break during those sessions to prevent burnout. While keeping distractions at bay, it's important to stay focused, set clear goals, define specific reading goals for each sessions to stay focused and motivated. Use a bookmark, keep track of your progress, and maintain focus on completing the book, but don't dog-ear them. Practice mindfulness, incorporate mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to improve concentration, engage your senses, enhance focus by creating a multi-sensory reading experience such as listening to instrumental music or lighting second candles. Limit multitasking. Avoid multitasking while reading to minimize distraction and maintain focus. Now here are some tips on how to finish a book according to goals. You must allow the book time to immerse you in its world, and it does not engage you after a week. Try a different book and repeat the process. He mentioned that you can find other readers and discuss what you are reading with them. It's perhaps the only art form which is consumed individually. Hence, a conversation around it often helps your own reading process and enhance the experience. He says, meanwhile, Dr. Dave suggested that you should set realistic deadlines for completing the book to stay on track. It is also important to reward yourself to stay motivated. If you are not enjoying a book, it's okay to abandon it and move on to something else. Prioritize books that genuinely capture your interest and keep you engaged. As for Saini, it is important to read what you wish to, not what others are reading. He says we often fall into this trap of public view, which happens almost everywhere and happens with book as well. If you are someone who has never read and want to get into reading, take a book around a topic you like, otherwise you will never be able to finish book. Your interest in a book will grow once you choose a book about a topic or a story that personally interests you. Apart from starting with easy book, he suggests that you should focus on achieving a daily goals instead of thinking about finishing the entire book. However, don't let the size of the book intimidate you. Don't think about finishing the book, think about achieving your goal. If you have read a 20-page book, if you have to read a 20-page book, make sure you target 10 pages a day, and you will surprised to see you will finish the book in less than 20 days if you keep the habit up. The font size also matters, as book with bigger font are easier to read, so it's depend on the size of book. And that's what I wanted to tell you.